In this video, I am going to show you how to add a radio player to your website using Elfsight. Head to elfsight.com and select the radio player widget from the menu. Click on Create Widget and choose a template that fits your website's style. After that, paste the station link to include your preferred radio shows. Adjust the position using the Layout tab, and tailor the track info, controls, and widget design to your liking under the Player and Style tabs. Click Join to install to add the widget to your website. Save the widget within your Elfsight apps account. And after that, select your subscription and you will see a HTML installation code provided. Copy it and log in into your WordPress admin panel. Navigate to Pages and select Home Page. Add a custom HTML block to the desired part of the page and paste it to the widget's code. Click Update to save the changes and voila, you're done. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.